Hello, welcome back to our channel. If you're new, welcome aboard. We would love for you to be part of our YouTube family, so feel free to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you will see every time we upload a new video. I know you're probably wondering what are in these bowls. In here is one of my favorite porridge. It is a blend of three main ingredients, and I was like, why don't I just create a porridge recipe with three of the ingredients that I love making porridge with. So this is how this recipe came alive in our kitchen years ago, and I want to share it with you. So if you are the single mommy like me, your life is very busy, this porridge works very much so for the busy household or the not so busy household. It works across the board, especially if you have a big family. Porridge stretch, as we know. This is perfect. So like, let's say you wake up in the morning. Let's paint a picture. You wake up in the morning, it's the weekend, you had a long work week. This is where this porridge comes in handy, because you're going to prepare the porridge ahead of time, like Friday evening, and you and your family would wake up in the morning on the weekend, and it will be already there for you in the refrigerator. You take it out, you heat it up, and you serve it out to your beautiful family, and especially if you have a large family. This porridge is so versatile, and it's truly an energy and time saver in the kitchen. This is the meal, the breakfast meal, that is going to change your life and help you out a lot. And you can jazz it up by adding your favorite fruits. Here I have strawberries and blueberries, and you can toss it in there, and you are going to see what I did to jazz it up for the little young ones, because sometimes they're so picky, you don't know what to feed them or what to add to make it a little bit more appealing for them, or for them to get all excited. Yeah, I want to eat it. So I came up with this beautiful idea that would entice them to want to eat it. And especially when Bella was much younger, I had to come up with creative ways in order to feed her. And I'm talking about my daughter Bella. That's who I'm referring to. So now she's much older. She's 11 years old. So she eats pretty much a lot of everything that I prepare in the kitchen. But when she was much younger, it was a little bit more challenging. So I came up with a lot of ways to kind of entice her to want to eat it more. So I cannot wait to share that with you, so your kids would enjoy it just as much as you would enjoy it as well. You could take it to work. You could have it on you when you're going jogging. Travel with it. So in that way, it fills up your tummy. It's like a light, simple, easy breakfast to take along with you, and it smells so great when you're making it in the kitchen because of the ingredients that you're gonna see that I placed in there. It just gives your entire house a great aroma that your neighbors are gonna be asking you, oh my God, what are you preparing? They're probably gonna want to come over for a breakfast in the morning. So let's make this recipe so easy like the weekend, like easy like Sunday morning. We're gonna dive right into this porridge because we like it hot. Like it hot, I'm telling you. So let me sing right on to my practice song. I like it hot. And we're gonna do this easy like Sunday morning and make our porridge. So let's dive right into this video. Easy like Sunday morning and hot, 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 yes. You're gonna add 2 cups of water, 1 bay leaf, and these bay leaves are straight out of Grenada, my home island. 3/4 teaspoons each of cinnamon and nutmeg powder, 1/4 teaspoon each of tonka bean and ginger powder. Give it a little stir, cover it, and let it boil for about 10 minutes. And this is where the aroma begins. After the spices have been boiled and wake you, your home, and maybe your neighbors with its mesmerizing aroma, you start adding the milks, and that's 2 cups of almond milk. Then 3 cups of oat milk. Add 4 cups of whole milk. We use all 3 milks, but if you are lactose intolerant, omit the whole milk, just leave it out. Here are the spices. Tonka bean, nutmeg, and ginger powder are also from Grenada, the Isle of Spice. Add 4 tablespoons or a 1/4 cup of fine yellow cornmeal. 2/3 cup of multigrain oatmeal and the same amount for the cream of wheat. Be sure to give a stir when each ingredient is added to prevent lumps. 1/4 cup coconut sugar. If you do not have coconut sugar, use regular cane sugar. Since that I have the leftover condensed milk, I'll be using that instead, and you'll use 1/2 cup of that. And again, if you are lactose intolerant, do not use the condensed milk. Instead, I would suggest to use the regular cane sugar or coconut sugar, but use a 1/4 cup of each instead. So delicious. Easy like Sunday morning. And here comes more flavor and aroma. Add 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla essence, 3 packs of instant oatmeal with peach, strawberry, and banana. This is one of my little secrets, just for your little kiddos to love it more, and so would you. Because of instant, you want to add the instant oatmeal last. And look at that, the bay leaf is having so much fun in there. And this meal doesn't take long to cook. Look at the creaminess, it's already done. Now it's time to add a little bit more jazz, and you can use any of your favorite fruits. Here I'm using banana, and I love slicing it in these 2 ways. I'm going to put it in a bowl and put it aside for when I'm ready to use it. But I got a tip up my sleeve for you little kiddos. And voila, we are done. We're going to be moving on to our little kiddos trick now. You cut the banana in half. You're going to use 1/2 of the banana. Squash it with your squasher. And this would be for your toddlers, your babies even. And now you want to add some more jazz, pizzazz, to get some color in there. You're going to be like, oh my God, pink, pink, blue, blue, purple. Ooh, I want to eat it, mommy, daddy. And then you're going to add strawberries or blueberries in there. Here I'm adding strawberries, and this would be so great for them. And if they don't like fruits, then you can add these. And I'm sure most kids love marshmallows, which are less sweeter than some of the cereals at some grocery stores. And as we know, some kids' tummies are very sensitive, so if some of these ingredients doesn't work, use what's best for your family. There you have it. Breakfast is served for you, your family, your neighbors may come over, or your guests. You do a wonderful presentation to make it look fabulous. And then you're gonna add some fruits for your older kids, yourself, or even your guests. Even if it looks like Halloween, you know you did your best and everything is jazzy and smooth in your kitchen. Here is a better display of all the ingredients used. After a day or so, you remove it from the refrigerator, and as you can see, it's a little bit more creamier because of the coldness in the refrigerator. So you want to heat it up, and you're going to add your favorite milks of your choice. And that's one of the reasons why I love this porridge. It is so magical. It's like it multiplies, it stretches, and it's going to feed so many of your guests and family. And that's what makes it interesting. And there is my little Bella enjoying her breakfast just before she goes to school. And as you can see, she's a bit tired, but before you know it, after eating that porridge is like an energizer. They're going to be like the Energizer Bunny, having so much fun. And mommy couldn't finish eating her breakfast, so I had to take it on the go. Here we are in commute, and as you can see, she's in better spirits, all energized and ready to go. I dropped my Bella to school. I'm at the doctor's office now. I'm going to find some time to eat my breakfast before I get called into the doctor's room. Really and truly, as you know, we as parents, sometimes we don't have the time to even put on makeup. We just have to grab and rush out the house, and this is where this porridge comes in handy. It is so versatile, so great for the busy family, whomever. And here I am trying to give some glam. So there is no glam here, but look at how I glam it all up to present this beautiful porridge for you here on YouTube. And I'm going to give you some fashion tips. And this is how we roll. As parents, you got to find the time to do you when you can. Maybe some days you're not going to look as fabulous, and then some days you're going to look fabulous, and do you how you do you. I couldn't do this video without showing you some items that you could use to store your porridge or any goodies that you love to take with you. Some of these I got from the discounted store like the Dollar Tree. This one here I got at the Dollar Tree. And look, I used the sticker that came on it to write Bella's name without using tape. And the top flip there, she could use to drink her porridge comfortable, or even chocolate milk. This one I think I bought from Williams Sonoma, and it helps to keep your porridge warmer. And these ones are so interesting. It comes with different pieces that is going to make you so comfortable on the go. You can add granola, fruits, and all of that stuff in there. And if you want to eat your porridge cold, these ones comes with an ice pack to do just that. For the minimalist folks that doesn't like a lot of items in your home, use those cups that already comes with your blender. For easier packing, you can use these zipper bags. This also works for your husband or your boo that may not want to carry a lunch bag. As you know, you can take your porridge along with your lunch for a quick bite, and you can bring a container of it and store it in one of these beautiful bags for a co-worker or friend. On the days where you may eat out, you can reuse or take extra straws because you're thinking ahead that you will need it for your porridge. This is a great idea to help our beautiful planet with recycling, but to each his own. You can save them for another use or two. I hope you enjoyed this video and love viewing this delicious porridge recipe. And I hope you take away a whole lot of information that is going to help you along in the kitchen with you and your beautiful family while creating this beautiful, delicious recipe. So, bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Take care of yourself. See you in our next upload. Blessings. Peace. Bye. Bye-bye.